In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Netflix with Google Pay. This process is straightforward, and by the end of it, you'll have your Netflix account linked to Google Pay for seamless payments. Let's dive right in and simplify your subscription payments. First, you'll need to ensure that you have both the Netflix and Google Pay apps installed on your device. If you haven't already installed them, go ahead and download them from your device's App Store. Once installed, open Google Pay. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that you'd like to associate with your Netflix payments. If you've never used Google Pay before, you'll need to set it up by adding a preferred payment method, such as a credit or debit card. With Google Pay set up, let's move over to Netflix. Launch your Netflix app and head to Account Settings. You'll typically find this option by selecting your profile icon, which is usually located in the top corner of the screen. Within the account settings, look for the Billing Details or Payment Information section. This is where you can manage how you pay for your Netflix subscription. Click on the option to update or change your payment method. Here, you'll see options for various payment methods like credit cards, PayPal, and perhaps most importantly for us today, Google Pay. Choose Google Pay from the list. A prompt may appear, asking you to sign in or confirm your Google Pay account. This step ensures account security and verifies that it's really you authorizing this change. Once you select Google Pay, confirm the payment method. This might involve your Google Pay app sending you a confirmation message or requiring you to authenticate using a security feature like fingerprint recognition or your phone's security PIN, depending on how your settings are arranged. After confirming, your new payment method will be updated in Netflix's system, and you should receive a confirmation that your Netflix subscription is now linked to Google Pay. It's worth checking your email for any confirmation messages from Netflix or Google Pay to ensure everything is set correctly. Keep this email as it's useful for records. From now on, your monthly Netflix payments will automatically be handled via Google Pay, which can make managing your subscriptions even simpler. If at any point you decide to change your payment method again, you can return to the same settings in your Netflix account and update it as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to pay for Netflix using Google Pay. This process not only simplifies billing but also gives you a centralized way to manage payments through Google Pay. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.